Want to know how to make this? Then please tune in. Two and a half cup all-purpose flour, half a tablespoon baking powder, half cup white sugar. Mix then set aside. 1 cup warm water. 1 tablespoon white sugar. 1 tablespoon dry yeast. Stir then set aside for 5 to 10 minutes or until the mixture bubbles and develops a yeasty aroma. Combine the yeast mixture with the dry ingredients. 3 tablespoons lard. 'Knead until dough is smooth and elastic, then shape into a ball. Set aside and let rise for about 30 minutes or until the dough has doubled in size. Dough has successfully risen/proofed if indentation remains. Lightly punch the dough to remove some of the gas bubbles formed by the yeast during rising. You may knead the dough 2 to 3 times to help release additional air bubbles. Shape the dough. Cut into equal pieces. Wrap cheese in the dough as a filling. Melted butter. Chopped garlic. Chopped chili. Chopped spring onions. Spread the mixture on top of the buns. Steam for about 20 minutes. And we're done.